Everybody, it's Chappy here, and I just wanted to know, what is it like to be all bored and lonely? I don't know what to do. What should I do? Here, I'll give you some reasons. Just follow me. Oh, we will, Prince Charming. Thank you, Miss. I don't know. Let's get started into this video. Yeah! First of all, you could play Dress Up. You know how I like to play with my human buddy, Berlin. She's actually kind of nervous, so I'm gonna play Dress Up myself. Let's get started, yo. First of all, the good way. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Use hats, bro. You could also use pants, you know? Not just this boring hat. Let me rip it out for you. Pants. I wanted to choose these pants because it makes me look cool, right? Well, I'm going to Ma. See ya! Oh wait, I can't open that door. My bad. I'll just wait here and take these pants off. They look ridiculous on me. You can also play Dolly. Yeah, I love Dolly. Oh. These are not Shopkins, by the way. Shopkins are really embarrassing. But these are my dollies. Hey, you guys. I think I just farted. And my butt itches. Okay, third of all, you could also play. I'll give you time to guess. This is my favorite one. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. My toys. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite one! Give it to me! And my ball! Yes! Oh yeah, my favorite hobby. Playing with my toys. Now they're gonna play with me right now. I love playing this way. Follow it. Now, fetch. I don't bring it back. I just go chase it and just leave it there. Yeah. Well, that was it for the video. Thanks for watching. Those were the 3 things you could do while you're bored. For doggies, actually. Doggies will love it. They would like to buy your clothes, buy your toys, and love to play with these.